Right there's the 2x4. So we'll go ahead. Oh, you've got to be kidding me, dude. It's right on a fucking staple. Shit. Yeah, it's right there. Staple's right there. Damn, I'll have to come right inside that staple. That's alright. Okay, now I need to do a pre-drill so I don't do a blowout. I'll just use this one. Screw it. Okay. I think this is going to be too small. Shit. Youch! That was hot. Whew. Okay. Note this up. Stop being a dumbass. Should have known. Jeez. Out here in the sun, it's warmer. Or, I mean, cooler. Holy shit. And hot as fucking there. I literally just had a shower like an hour ago. Okay, so it'll allow me to screw down. Alright. Now we go. Like, all the way. Awesome sauce. We are cooking with Crisco, folks. Oh, yeah. It's a little warped, but that's alright. It'll be alright. Lining up with the 2x4. Oh. There we go. Now, get this beast out of here. And there's that. And there's that. Alright! Holy crap, I am soaking wet with sweat right now. Okay. So, we got that. Okay. Now, things I've got to work on that mower. I'm going to put that up there. Let's see. But first, I want to pull those screws out. I think what I want to do is swap. Put this pressure washer over there, and then put that over here. That way, it's easier for me to reach. Yeah, I think that'll be a lot better. The hell is? I don't know what the hell is going on, but geez, sounds like someone's trying to do a burnout, but too stupid to know how. Don't you just love people like that, folks? They can't figure out why it is they can't do it. Oh, freaking burnout. Uh-oh. There we go. You know, when I bought these hooks, these things were literally 50 cents a pop. Now you go on and now the price gouging is mad crazy at Walmart. This is Walmart's brand too. Yet, oh, let's see if the prices have gone down. No, things are only $1.68. Fuck, you get a shitload of them then. But still though, folks, they were like 50 cents when I ordered them. So they're still up. Holy crap, they're up 100%. My gosh, folks, you can't tell right now, but my shorts look like I pissed myself. I've been sweating so bad. I'm not kidding. It's all wet right in the crotch and down the legs. All the way to the back belt loop area. It literally looks like I fucking pissed myself. It's so hot. That's a definite design flaw. Damn allergies. Shit. I'm sweating to the oldies. Actually, I do have to piss, so hang on, folks. Well, here we go. Holy crap. Freaking criminy! Now, a lot of you are probably thinking, dude, why the hell are you switching hooks? Just switch the damn things on the damn hooks. And that's a valid question or comment. Downside is, these hooks here are just too small to hold onto that big thick handle. So I have to switch out to this bigger hook, which would be able to accommodate said big handle. I'll show you here in a second. Well, you already know it can fit on that hook. Okay, this hook, you see right there, it won't. It's just real thick handle there. So that's why I'm switching this out. Yeah. I haven't used this in, gosh, what, 5 years? Jeez. It may not even work anymore, to be honest with you. It sat so long, it might have corroded shut the electric pump and all that. Good enough. Awesome. And this hook, there's a hole right there, so I'll put, I guess I can do that now. Things I'm talking about it. Maybe, geez, there we go. Jeez. There we go. Sweet cherry. Okay. It is so hot in there. There's a very light breeze, but there is a breeze out here. There ain't no damn wind flowing anywhere in there. Ooh. Huh, that fan is blowing outward, sucking the air out from inside. Man, that trash can. Oof. Geez, I can feel that fan here. I cannot feel it in here. You know, maybe, instead of bitching, fuck it, let's do it, folks. Let's get a fan going in there. Okay. We'll go with this one. It's a little rusty, a little crusty, but it's a champ. This one I use when I go and do some work on properties. I'll show you. There's paint all over it, and yeah, awesome. Now, where do I set it though? Nope, that ain't gonna work. What the hell do I do with it? Air. It's a wonderful, marvelous thing. That feels so good. Ooh. Huh. If I had an extension cord, I could go right there with this. Right on that hook. Well, no time like present. One goddamn thing after another, folks. I'm telling you. Okay. Oof. Whatever is in here, it's musty. Oof. Oof. Holy damn, it's more than musty. Holy shiitake. Okay, I want a long cord. Okay. These are all my adapters. Okay. Oh, check this out. This is a dog train. I don't know why it's in here, but... Bark! Yeah. Okay, let's go. Wow, this is a new one. Let's not use a new one. Gee, that's a new one, too. No, we'll just use this one. This is a long... Oh, crap, this is a 15-footer. I don't need a 15. I think this is a... Yeah, this should be a 9-foot. You can tell by the the amount of folds here. When I wrap up a cord, you notice how it looks like it's 12 inches? Yeah. Yep, 9 foot. I figured that out years ago. If I wrap it up at a 1 foot deal, the amount of folds will tell you exactly how long the cord is. That way you don't have to stretch it out and go, oh my gosh, dude, how big is this cord? Well, now you know. Man, I don't want to shut you off. You need to be clean though. Jeez. Alright, well, let's go ahead. Shut her down. Had air for a second. Oh my gosh. We're going to have to route it all the way over. Once again, this is another test I'm going to have to do is figure out all these cords, because I'm starting to get hung up, folks. All these cords are everywhere. We're going to have to route this shit. These are going to be like another videos. I'm just trying to get some air in here so I can finish what I'm fucking doing for now. And then we'll worry about the rerouting of shit, you know, some other damn time. Maybe it'll give me some videos in the winter when there's no snow. You can't mow the lawn every week. You can't shovel the sidewalk unless there's snow and ice. So maybe this is a task where I could actually do in the winter. I just got to figure out how to make heat in here though. So yeah, it's going to be a bunch of things going on, folks. Like I said, I keep adding. You know, you guys keep saying, well, he doesn't have anything else to do. Bullshit. There's always something to do. And I just keep adding to the task. Okay. Oh, wrong way. Alrighty. Well, that also gives me power over here, too. But, a little disclaimer, though, folks. This extension cord onto that and onto this extension cord, don't ever do that. Don't go extension cord to extension cord. Alright? That is not safe. Okay, I have this that has a circuit breaker in it, so if anything does go wrong, it will automatically flip. Okay, so if you use a electric bar like that, make sure it has a circuit breaker in it. Okay, that way if something goes south on you, you won't burn down at this, you know, and it'll kill the power. Okay, because you can't technically you cannot go extension cord to extension cord. Alright, it draws too much power on one and not enough power on the other, and the one that draws too much power utilizes that power in form of heat. In turn, what that means is you will catch fire. It will short out, it will melt, and your asses will be in the hospital and or the morgue. Alright, so be cautious in what you do. Alright. Oh, damn. It's too curved. It won't grab on. Okay, it's on. Oh, it's on. Awesome. Now, the only downside is it's pointing in the wrong fucking direction because of that. Shit. Okay. Try on air, folks. Try on air. Okay. Don't worry. We'll get her. There we go. Awesome. Yep, we got ourselves some airflow in here, and it's just blowing all the sawdust in my face. Oh man, one thing after another, man. Come on. Shit. But at least even here, I can feel the air circulation, and I'm not directly in front of it. So, all right. I suppose I could have just wrapped this. Oh, there. What the hell is my neighbor doing now? That freaking psycho. Huh. He is such a fucking idiot. I think his truck gave out on him. He's been driving that van that's parked out in the front yard, or out in the front. I think I just figured out what to do with that mirror. Put that along the back there. That way it gives me light reflecting off all these lights here into this way. I don't want to keep sliding it around and cause it to be all scratched up. Okay, so I think I'm done with the cutting and drilling and all that. Okay. I guess the next thing to do is start putting all this shit away now. Man, if there was if I had another hook to place right there. Just one more of those. Do I have an extra one? No, I don't. Damn. Well, maybe a screw, if angled upward. I'm thinking maybe that might need some extra. Okay, what I want to do, I want to put two of them up there. Otherwise, this will just sag to one corner. Right there. That should be alright. This ladder's not that damn heavy. Awesome. Oh yeah! We are cooking with Crisco, folks. Alrighty. You know, I've got enough space. Yeah, all these 2x6s, I can just stack up here on the, get that stuff out of the way. Well, which one's longer? Start with the long ones first. I think this is the long one. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so I'll go in this order. And then there's this deck. Okay, so that's about the same. Well, I could just put this one on first. Slide that. Okay. Alrighty, now, okay, no real warpage here, so we'll go ahead. Now this board is warped, so I want to kind of turn that over and hope that it'll sag down, drop down on its own. This one too, so there. Okay, now I want to put the 5-foot truck boards up there as well. Awesome. Okay.